Find the derivative of this function using first principle. First of all, we revise first principle formula. It will be, for the first derivative of the function, first principle will be using the idea of limit, where limit h approaches 0 for fx plus h minus fx over h. So our function, we need to find out what is your fx plus h. So substitute x plus h in the place of x here. You will have this function fx plus h. Then we evaluate this limit. So as your function here is a rational function, we will recommend you to factorize your h, so that the remaining here we just operate the fx plus h minus fx. To operate two rational functions, we will get it same to the denominator. So to get same to the denominator, you will having cross multiply for these two denominator. So this one will times with 1 minus x, and then this one will times with this. So the next one is going to simplify this numerator. So negative negative become positive. And you can notice that 1 minus 1 is 0, x plus x and minus x is 0. So remaining h and h here, we can simplify the h. Once you simplify the h, means your IDF of the h here will be cancelled off. So your function no longer IDF. Now you can evaluate this limit. Substitute the h equals to 0. Therefore, you will get this. So for the first principle, we can do a double check here. We can differentiate this using formula to make sure our first principle answer here is correct. Let's say our function here is 1 over, so write it in power form, will be 1 minus x power of negative 1. When we differentiate it, so power move to the front, power minus 1, differentiate inside the bracket, we get negative 1. So negative negative become positive. Remaining is 1 minus x squared. So as you compare using formula and using first principle idea of limit, the answer should be same.